Today we're going to talk about a biography. What is a biography? Biographies are stories that are told, books that are told. The author tells about a story of another person's life. So the read aloud today was Nobody Owns the Sky. I hope you listened to it carefully because that was a biography. It is a story about Bessie Coleman, and she is she was the first licensed black aviator in the world. So she has a very interesting story, and that is a biography. Now let's talk about how biographies are alike in many ways. So in the chart in the middle, it says biography, and you notice in that biographies always is a story. It always is. The author tells the story of another person's life or part of it. The author includes facts about the person's life, like when they were born, when they went to college, sometimes about when they got married, who they married, who their family was. Those are facts that are often in biographies. The author tells about the important things a person did, and then the author gives an important message. That is always in a biography. Now, often in a biography, this is something that sometimes is, sometimes isn't. It's the author tells about the person's life in the order it happened. So oftentimes it does go in order, but not always. The author includes made up dialogue based on facts. So sometimes the talking, the dialogue is made up, but it's based on facts. The author includes quotes by the person, and there is additional information at the end of the book, usually a timeline that shows the person's life, but not always. The author includes photographs or illustrations. So today I would like you to go to resources or to where your teacher assigns your assignments, could be attached to your slides. Go to ReadWorks today and go down, and there is a article that is assigned. It's about Martin Luther King Jr. We just celebrated that yesterday. So I would like you to read this story and see if you can find any things that you notice that are on this chart. You know, see if you can find dates, facts. See if you can see if the author gave any important message about this person's life, or maybe included something that the person did or said. So as you read, try to notice some of these things that make a biography. Answer the questions after you read and submit it. Remember, as you read the questions, if you can't remember something, always go back to look for the answer in the text. So you can always go back to the passage to read it to see if you can find the answer. Don't just guess, because we want you to do your very, very best.